Hi, welcome to Travel English Pro. I'm Ruben. I'm a British English coach and a world traveller. Today, I'm sharing 10 essential English travel words for real situations, from hotels to airports to exploring new cities. I'll give you a clear definition, a useful example, and time to repeat after me. Let's dive in. Word 1. Reservation. Definition. A booking you've made in advance for a hotel, flight or restaurant. Repeat after me. Reservation. Example. Hi, I have a reservation for 2 nights. Word 2. Reception. Definition. The front desk of a hotel where you can check in or ask for help. Repeat. Reception. Example. Can I leave my bags at reception? Word 3. Check out. When you leave a hotel and return your key or your card. Repeat. Check out. Example. Is late checkout available? Word 4. Boarding. The process of getting on a plane or a train. Repeat. Boarding. Example. Excuse me, when does boarding start? Word 5. Credit card. Definition. A plastic card used to pay for things instead of cash. Repeat. Credit card. Example. Do you accept credit cards? Word 6. Tip. Definition. Extra money you give to thank someone for good service, like a waiter or a driver. Repeat. Tip. Example. How much should I tip the taxi driver? And just a note here, tipping isn't common in every country, so check local customs. In America, tipping is expected. In Japan, tipping is rude. Word 7. Map. Definition. A drawing or an app showing streets, places, and transport routes. Repeat after me. Map. Example. Can you mark the museum on the map? Word 8. Directions. Definition. Instructions to help you find a place. Repeat after me. Directions. Example. Could you give me directions to the nearest station? Word 9. Station. A place where trains, buses, or subways stop. Repeat. Station. Example. Is this bus going to the central station? Word 10. Wi-Fi. Definition. Wireless internet connection. Repeat. Wi-Fi. Example. What is the Wi-Fi password? Great job! You've learned 10 essential travel words to make your trip smoother. Which word will you use first? Tell me in the comments. Practice these words daily. Try them with a friend, a language app, or even at home. Like the video if it helped, and subscribe for more practical English with me, Coach Ruben. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.